unicorns, welcome back to my channel Tales of Unicorn. To all the new people here, hi, I'm Harita. I'm basically a travel content creator and right now you're watching my Singapore travel series. Already a couple of vlogs have been out on my channel. You can check the links in the description. Also, I'll provide it in the iCard above. And today, you've already seen in the title and thumbnail, I'm here to explore some of the main attractions of Singapore City. And the first stop is here at Art and Science Museum. So as you can see, the architecture is really cool. It's like an apple sliced up, but the architecture is really cool over here. And behind me is the Helix Bridge, which looks in the form of a DNA. So how cool is that? The Singapore residents over here come for jogging, walking, even by 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So this is Helix Bridge, and over here, yes, here. This is Marina Bay Sands. So actually the hotel rooms here are really costly, and there's an infinity pool over there. But as a visitor, you can go up there for the Sky Park Observatory. So from here, you can get a beautiful view of the Singapore town over here. So this is Marina Bay Sands. So right now, let's go and explore Art and Science Museum.
This is Marina Bay Sands Mall, and the way to the Art and Science Museum is through the mall. And can you believe what you see here? A boat ride inside a mall? Yep, that's Singapore. It's called Sampan Boat Ride and it costs around 15 Singapore dollars. Right outside the mall, you can see the Art and Science Museum. I booked the tickets for this through the Klook app. You can check the link in description, and I find online prices to be cheaper, so I would suggest that to you too.
Hello.
Hello.
Zoom in, please.
Oops, sorry.
Yes, I can. Let me check where you're going. Future World, yes, right. Thank you.
Thank you.
From the name itself, you can imply that this place holds a blend of art combined with science. So in this paper, you can color and form a creature of your own, and I did this. This paper will be scanned in the machine, and within 15 to 30 seconds, your art will be uploading on the screen. This game might look easy, but it is so much more tricky than what you see. The floor beneath you keeps moving, which gives more of a temple run vibes, and when you look down, your head will swirl and you might lose control of your hands and legs. I was really surprised to see what a simple step game and floor could be transformed into. There was another coloring section, but this one was to create stuff that flies, and previously it was dedicated only to Water World. In Art and Science Museum, you get all the art supplies, a table, chair with light. And I must say, my inner child was loving the activity as it had been so long since I did something as enjoyable as this. So there is no time limit here or number of picture submission limit here, which is the cherry on the cake for us. Unlike the previous one, which was just scanned and uploaded, here you get remote control for the flight or any other stuff you create so that you can control the direction and feel like you are driving it yourself. How awesome is that? Final section, the Crystal Universe, which is just a sight to behold forever. simple and amazing, guys. I mean, there are countries like where you can get to experience the culture, heritage, and tradition of the places, and there are countries like Singapore and Dubai where you get to see the architecture and engineering marvel. So, for example, in this video, this part of the museum which I showed you is called the Future World, and I truly felt it to be true and wonderful. So, as long as the world is balanced on both these sides, so I feel it's just a blessing, and we should be grateful to be able to see both the sides of the world. On that note, I hope you really enjoyed this video. So, if you wish to see more of my vlogs, please do hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to check the other playlists on my channel. And if you'd like to interact with me or get any doubts clarified, you can drop a comment or you can directly ping me on my Instagram, which is also Tales of Unicorn. So I'll see you real soon in my next video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.